Alright, then last minute today, we got an S24 Plus. And they decided to go, they were smart, and they decided to go with the more expensive Samsung Service Pack, which is not a cheap aftermarket screen. It's an actual Samsung original screen frame assembly. So it's amazing. It's like taking a new phone right out of the box. It's even got the little plastic wrap around it that you would get with a brand new phone. Pretty cool. Only $260 something for the service pack and labor. And yeah, S24s are not cheap.